It's an amazing, like, AC current goes bad for a while or seems bad, then comes back, goes good for a while, and then
Hi, this is Eric Stromquist. Welcome to the Prelude to episode 239 of Control Talk Now, the Smart Buildings podcast. A great show this week, as usual. As you know, Control Talk Now, the Smart Buildings podcast, is the opportunity to sort of have a dialogue with some of the great minds in our industry.
a loss of 100,000 jobs in 1 or 2 years, there's nowhere for those people to go. But yeah, he definitely has a way to synergize situations.
And, kind of the feel we're going for is if you were sitting at a bar and 2 or 3 people are sitting around talking about controls, you just sort of get to listen in and capture some of the ideas.
And next thing you knew, a whole bunch of people took things to the next level. You had a couple contractors that were involved in that, Hepta Systems for one. Yeah, and they created a model that is being used everywhere else now too.
So the theme this week, I think, is, as Ken Sinclair says, we are in a blizzard of change.
We're seeing more and more the people that we work with, the thought leaders of the new generation of building facility managers and building owners, they don't have any ties to what used to be the way to do things.
So, what do those changes look like? How fast are they coming? More importantly, how can you prepare and take advantage? Volatile is a very good word for, I perceive, where we're at or heading into right now. And there's a Chinese proverb that says, with great chaos brings great opportunity. And I think part of what Kenny and I are trying to do for our community is just have these conversations, not to frighten people, but just so you don't get caught off guard. So our guest this week is Ken Sinclair, automatedbuildings.com. And Ken really breaks down sort of his perspective on things and how you can stay relevant. Kenny and I have a great dialogue about what we call the Amazon effect. And we just pick Amazon as one company. It's Amazon, Google, it's Silicon Valley, it's technology in general, how that is changing, how our businesses might look, and again, how we can stay relevant. And more specifically, the reason we're talking about it now, Kenny, is I think that, like it or not, it's going to affect everybody in the Control Trends Smart Building Controls community one way or another. We also have a special announcement about the Control Trends Awards. The Control Trends Awards are upon us, so stay tuned for that. And then last but not least, guess who these 3 characters are? Out a bounty on these 3 characters. Bitch slap one of these people, shoot a video of it, send it to Kenny and I, and we'll give you a really special prize. All right. So with that, going over to Control Trends, check out the podcast. You can download it right there on the site, ControlTrends.com. You can also subscribe in iTunes or Stitcher Radio. So we appreciate you tuning in. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show.